Hello my great viewers, I want to welcome you once again to UMass Media for another awesome class. Today we're going to be dealing with a problem of quadratic equation and we're going to be solving this problem using the formula method. In our previous videos, we have solved this same problem using the factorization method and completing the square method, and the essence is to tell you that we can actually solve a problem using these three methods of solving quadratic equation. The links of those videos are going to be at the description of this video. Do well to check it. Let's go straight to solving this problem. Now, for us to solve this problem using the formula method, you're expected to know the standard quadratic formula, and that is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now let's compare these two equations. You are going to see that a is equal to 2, the coefficient of x squared, and b is equal to 5, the coefficient of x, and then c is equal to 2, the constant term. Now, having gotten to this point, let's write down our quadratic formula, which we are going to be supplying these terms or constants we have brought out, and that gives us that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Please, I want you to note that everything we have in the numerator is all over 2a, because a lot of students think that it is just the square root part that is all over 2a. No, this is the correct quadratic formula. And then let's apply the different constants we have here. So x is equal to minus b is 5, so we have minus 5 plus or minus the square root of b squared, that is 5 squared, minus 4 times a is 2, and c is as well 2, all over 2a, and a is 2, so we have 2 times 2. The next thing we're going to do, let's try to simplify what we have in the square roots. So x is going to give us minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 5 squared is 25, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, so we have 16 here, all over 2 times 2 is 4. Before I proceed on this video, in case this is your first time of visiting this channel and I believe you are receiving value from this video, do us a favor by hitting that subscribe button. Yes, just tap that subscribe you've seen down below this video and get subscribed to this channel, so that anytime UMass Media posts another awesome video of this kind, YouTube is going to notify you. Just logging into your YouTube, you see our videos right in your notification. And by the time you get to the end of this video, I want to do us a favor by sharing it to your friends and lovers on your several social media platforms, so that your friends and lovers all over the world can have access to the same information you are getting from this channel. Also give us a like. Let's get this channel growing. Let's continue. Okay, now we have x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 minus 16 is 9, and then we have all over 4. So x equals minus 5 plus or minus square root of 9 is 3, then we have all over 4. Now at this point, because of the plus and minus we have here, we're going to be getting two solutions to this problem. Of course, that's what we expect in every quadratic equation, to end up with two solutions, that is the two roots of the equation. So that's going to be x is equal to minus 5 plus 3 all over 4, or x equal to minus 5 minus 3 all over 4. So we're going to solve this separately and get the two solutions we are looking for. We are going to have x is equal to, for the first one here, minus 5 plus 3 is going to give us minus 2 all over 4. Then for the second one, minus 5 minus 3 is going to give us minus 8, and we'll have all over 4. Meaning that x is equal to, if you reduce this to the lowest term, we're going to have minus 1 all over 2. Or, in this case, we're going to have minus 2. Because 8 divided by 4 is 2. My great viewers, we have come to the end of this video. And I want to appreciate you for patiently watching this video to the end. But before you go, I'm going to give you a class task, something you're going to solve, and give me your answers at the comment section of this video. And I will get back to you, checking on those solutions, and then giving you a response. Let's go there. Okay, my viewers, this is the class task I have for you for today. It says b squared minus 11b plus 18 is equal to 0. Do it and give me your solutions at the comment section of this video. Once again, in case this is your first time of visiting this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you great in my next video. Thank you.